somebody operates an LOG site in a dental niche without an LOG or, excuse me, without a GBP or physical address, how can they establish trust with Google effectively? Well, I don't know what you mean with that. You know, you can rank a page without establishing trust. I mean, you know, for local, it doesn't really matter. Once you have a GBP, that does make a difference. You do want the GBP to be trusted. And that's how, again, corroborating evidence, right? Kubata said the self-hosted site, the page linked to from the GBP, which is what I call the location landing page, should provide agreement with how the GBP is optimized, which is precisely why I talk about when you add a multi-location, or excuse me, a single location service area business that covers a large area, and they then link to the homepage from the GBP, and they're optimizing the homepage for a broader region or a different city entirely than where the GBP is physically located, because they'd rather rank in the larger city than where they're actually located. That is a mixed signal. It's isn't it confusing Google? Because the GBP is registered and located in one location, but then it's the location landing page, that which the GBP is linked to, is optimized, providing different mixed signals, different data. So it confuses Google. That's why I always recommend, even for a single location business, if it's a service area business with a bunch of location pages or supporting location pages on the site, you should have one page that is optimized for the location, that specific location, and that should be the location landing page. The home page should be broadened up to convey who the business is, what they do, and where they do it in broadest terms possible. So the homepage isn't the best to link to from a GBP that is in one specific city, right? So the whole EAT signals and all that stuff. And by the way, you don't need to establish trust to rank a site in organic search. You just need to hit the proper signals, right? You have to have the page site optimized properly to perform well in search so that Google understands it with using the least amount of resources possible for Google to understand what the page and the site in its entirety is about. It's not about trust. It's about establishing proper signals, right? And then when you have a GBP, then I think trust does matter a bit, but you can do that. We can, again, help Google engineer the knowledge graph for branded locations, guys, very quickly through ID pages, same as attributes in schema, and GB posts, direct linked connections to what we want Google to understand about the business, right?